everyone, welcome to Study 24x7's Educator 101 video series. Study 24x7 is India's first educational social network which brings both the educators and learners on the same platform together. Study 24x7 is a robust, scalable and state-of-the-art educational platform that has been built with the needs of educators in mind. In this video on educator orientation, we will talk about how to choose the right course type, what things you should keep in mind before creating your lectures, how to prepare and plan for your lecture, and tips on recording. Before you start recording your lectures, it is very important that you choose the right type of course that serves the needs of your learners. At Study 24x7, you can create three types of courses. Self-paced course. A self-paced course consists of recorded videos and study materials like PDFs, quizzes, etc. A self-paced course allows the learner to learn at their own pace. Instructional course. An instructional course consists of live classes only. Through an instructional course, you can completely mimic a coaching classroom experience for your learners. Blended course. A blended course is a combination of recorded videos and live classes. Using a blended learning experience, this course type will help you to take advantage of both self-paced and instructional course types. Before recording, you should keep in mind three main steps. Step 1. Planning for your lecture. By planning for your lecture beforehand, you will be able to reduce mistakes and increase smoothness of your presentation and delivery. Step 2. Preparing for the lecture. While preparing for your lecture, you should be mindful of your sources and collect the required information and tools beforehand. Step 3. Recording the lecture. While recording the lecture, you should keep in mind things that do not negatively affect the experience of the learners. While planning for your lecture, keep in mind these do's and don'ts. Do's. A lecture shouldn't be too short or too long. The ideal length of a lecture is around 10 minutes. Longer lectures tend to bore the learners and are unable to capture their attention for long periods of time. Too short lectures can mean that the explanation provided may not be sufficient. Use different kinds of study materials like PDFs, maps, charts, and images. Using different types of materials will help you to convey your points effectively. Choose a topic you are thorough with and genuinely excited about. Before diving into recording, research and prepare the topic in depth. Check the accuracy of the content. Errors like spelling, factual errors make your content look unprofessional. Don'ts. Do not use generic or irrelevant content. Always use original content that has relevance to the course and student needs. Don't use copied material. Plagiarism in any form is a strict no-no. If you copy content from other sources without proper attribution or permission, you might land in trouble due to copyright infringement. Don't give out your personal information. Keep it professional. Avoid using technical jargon. Always try to make your explanation lucid and easy to understand. While preparing for the lecture, keep in mind these points. Before you create your presentation or live class, research and collect all the information. Create your presentation and notes. You can also create your worksheets and exercises, etc. Always use 16:9 aspect ratio in PowerPoint presentations. Make sure that the handwriting is legible and clear in case you are using handwritten notes. Also, use handwritten notes only as a complementary resource and not as a replacement for typed content. Use a good quality camera to scan the images. You can also use the software like Cam Scanner to scan your handwritten notes or images. You can also rehearse your presentation and notes before recording. Rehearsing your notes will improve your smoothness of delivery. When you are recording the lesson, ensure that the lighting conditions are appropriate. Do not record in a dimly lit room. Try to minimize the ambient noise. Choose a quiet environment free of distractions. Use a good quality microphone. Avoid speaking directly into the microphone to reduce noise. If you have a writing tablet like Wacom, use it to annotate comments or notes. Use proper voice modulation during recording of the video. Speaking in a boring baritone is jarring for the listener. Avoid using technical jargon and filler words like etc. Keep your explanation as simple as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Reach out to us if you need any help at teach@study24x7.com.